everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I am coming at you with a craft haul video. I have a few items from Dollar Tree, Michaels, Simon Says Stamps, AliExpress, and Amazon. So let's get started. So from Dollar Tree, I picked up this 6-piece wood laser cut craft icons. A lot of people have been hauling these, and I like the seaside designs on there, the little turtle and the little seahorse and the shell. So I'm gonna open them up here just to get a feel of them. And they're, I don't know if these are wood or chipboard. Thinking they're pretty bendable, so I'm thinking that these are maybe some heavy chipboard. I thought they were wood, but I don't know. But anyway, they're cute. I also picked up the sunflower stickers. It's 14-piece. These would look awesome on the card. I love sunflowers, and these are pretty detailed. So that's what I got from Dollar Tree. And from Michaels, everyone's hauling items from Michaels with their clearance sale. I went into my local Michaels and they didn't really have much left. But I was able to pick up this Sizzix Framelit with stamps. And it says Tim Holtz Alterations. And it's the little cats. You see them there. And it comes with the dies and a embossing folder. So this was really good price. I think it was $5. And so I did cut out the little cats to see how well, stamp them and then cut them out using the die. And they cut really well, stamp really well. And you can color these, use them on a black and white theme, which is probably what I'll do. But they're so cute with the little, almost like googly eyes. So that's what I picked up from Michaels. And then from AliExpress, I picked up this adorable bunny die. And I had seen a couple of people haul this. I believe Natalie put some bling on it, had hauled it. And also Tony Craft Purge, she had hauled this. And I thought it was adorable, so I wanted to go ahead and pick this up. And it cuts out really cute. This is, I did one in pink and one in white, and then the little sunglasses and their nose. Those are some extra sunglasses I have, but I did make a mistake. So I thought that this was the greenery for the carrots, but actually that's grass. I was wondering what these little things were, and when I finally looked at the picture of the die online, it was for the actual carrots. So I thought that was kind of funny. And so this is the little bunny. And then I also picked up this little girl. And I just wanted to see, I'm always cutting out my Julie Nutting dolls and in paper piecing them together. So I wanted to try one of these AliExpress dolls. And this is what she looks like. And she's cute. I cut her out and I did some gold for her little earrings and her little dress with the heart. I needed to actually put some white highlights in her eyes, but my white pen is dried up, so I need to get a new one of those. So both of those were from AliExpress. And then I also picked up from AliExpress these really cute bows. I thought these were adorable, those sequin bows. Look at this green one, so blingy, cute size, perfect on a card or any other project that you have. It has all these different colors: yellow, silver, blue, pink, orange, black, and like a turquoisey color. But look at that orange one. So super blingy and cute. So I got those. And that was all I picked up from AliExpress. And then from Amazon, I picked up this mountain die. This is by KS Craft, and you can get these on AliExpress too, but I went ahead and ordered it through Amazon, and wanted one of those. And I did cut it out just to see what it looked like for a slimline card, and I used some paper that I hauled. I cut the mountain scene that they had on the paper, and then used this landscaping and the sky. And I'm not sure how I'm gonna finish the card up, but I will. But I just wanted to try it out. It was just a little too tall, but I think that's fine. But the die cut really well. Now this is the bigger one, it's 2 pieces. So that's from Amazon. And then from Simon Says Stamp, I picked up this new distress ink. It's called Kitsch Flamingo. I think that's how you say it. I haven't tried it yet, but I will soon. And this is the newest color from the Tim Holtz Distress line, and this is the Distress Oxide. So then last but not least, I picked up this really, really pretty paper. This is from Garcia Studio, and this is the 49 and Market Blush Mini Collection 12x12 paper. And I saw this on their website and immediately knew that I wanted to purchase it. It has some really pretty paper in it. Let's take a look real quick. So on your sheet to show what's included, there's also kind of a brushed pink design. It's kind of hard to pick up with my camera, but it's really like sort of like watercolor maybe. And then look at this. This is so pretty. The camera is just not doing it justice. It's that paper, and then on the back it's a pink, like paintbrush look. And then this one, so soft and pretty. They call this the Vintage Artistry Blush. And they each have a name for the paper. I didn't realize that. This is Serene. So pretty. And then on the back, this is really pretty too. This one is called Radiate. And like I say, my camera is just not picking up how lush these colors are. So pretty. Pretty. And then on the back, we have this butterfly and distressed look. It's cute. And then this one is called Roiled. Another pretty birdie. Some really bright colors on the back. And then it comes with some cut aparts or some punch outs. I don't know what you call these, but they punch out. They have already perforated. And so you get that sheet. And then you get this sheet. So beautiful. And then I picked up this crepe paper, Fresh Bouquet. Not sure why I ordered this, because when I opened up the box, I was like, did I order that? And I did order this, but it's a black and white print, and it's pretty enough. I'm pretty sure I can use it. So that's my haul from Garcia. So let me know what you think below. Hope you enjoyed the video, and if you're one of my regular subscribers, thank you for subscribing and watching. And if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.